Okay, let's try this. Are we live again? Okay, sweet. I guess we just have network issues right now. Let's try this out. Oh, this is cool. Okay, let's just wait for that to finish. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problem, ask away in the chat. Here I'm just trying to do some different configuration now. Trying to install different Linux distros and see if there's a and see what's much of a difference comparing these ones. If anybody has any computer issues, ask away in the chat, man. If you're new, I welcome you. Oh my god, it's almost finished. Jeez, finally. Finally, exit to live desktop, please. Take it off. And let's see how this one looks. Continue boot. It has a little dinosaur at the bottom. I like that. I wonder what's gonna happen now. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problem, ask away in the chat. Me, I'm just fixing my own issues and trying out some new hardware right now. So this is a Fedora distro. Someone in the community sent it, it caught my interest. Oh, it's still loading. Yeah. Put a random one. It's supposed to be a GOM distro. Oh, I see people have been voting on the poll. Messenger and WinApp. Sweet. Skip. Oh gosh. Allergies. What the heck is this? Oh, it's just white in the terminal, the screen. Okay. Okay, at least I think the stream is now loading good. Or, oh, I can see we're having connection delay. That's really bad. I didn't think there was gonna be any connection delays. Oh man, these allergies. Oh, what's with all this? Why do I have so many allergies today? You know what? I'll do that part later. Yeah. Let's see. What's different from the fedora? Do you like the dinosaur? Not that much. Okay. Okay. Sweet. Let's shut it down. Let's use Promox again. let's go back to our good old Windows 7. Yep, start it up. Quasi, the guy who wanted liquid cooling advice. Oh, hey! Oh, you have a different name. Oh, okay. Hey, man, what's up? Welcome back to the stream. So what happened with that? No action has been taken? Oh, really? He bought the parts? Wait, he's gonna do it himself? He's not gonna get somebody else? $5,000? Yikes. Man, he's gonna spend more than that. Well, depending on the guy doesn't charge him that much, but really, so he still bought the parts? Well, I would have went with the 0-in-1 radiator, and you would have saved yourself for $4,000, like $4,700. It's not that expensive, the radiator. It's like maybe $130 or $200. You didn't go for cover. Still, that was expensive. I really thought he wasn't gonna do that. Oh well, if he really wants it like that, it's his money. But still, he could have bought another PC with that kind of money. We checked the 0-in version, but the guy who built the PC said he would still experience thermal traveling. Okay, so it looks like the guy wants to make money. So I guess he just told you what he wanted to hear. Depending on what you're gonna use the computer for, if you're literally gonna use it for gaming, video editing, 4K video editing, like heavy graphic programs, then spend on good hardware, and with a radiator would be enough. But doing liquid, again, it's not really my recommendation, because it's installed. What happens if it breaks? You'll lose the entire system. Computer engineering. Well, if the person is desperate to render a video, so I wouldn't spend that much. The videos that I edit, I make them all in 4K, and I edit them all on a crappy laptop. Computer engineering, I wonder. I don't know much about computer engineering, but I'm pretty sure that there's gonna be coding. How what? Rendering 3D models. Well, you can use the open source Blender, and you can just and do models there. It doesn't have to be that edited. How do you edit in 4K on laptop? I can't even edit in 1440. Well, it's not that I edit on 4K. Like once I do the video that I do, I just export it in 4K format. I use this program. I use CapCut. I use this program. That's it. Really good. Really easy. This is what I use to edit videos, and you can export it. You can use it on the web or on the or download the program. No, I don't. I just use what's available, and everything works. It has everything that I need, and I can still make my videos. And every video that I put out, you get the option. Like, once you export it, it gives you the options on how you want to do it. Want to do 1080, 1440p, 720, it says 4K. You only see 1080 option? That's odd. Because if you check I put a new video out yesterday, and I put it in 4K. Because where's the I don't know. I never used the web one, the browser one. I usually use the I download the program. I never use the web version. So I think here, if I go to it looks so different. Where the hell is it? I haven't uploaded anything here. So if I want to create a new gosh, it looks so different here. Recent projects. Maybe I can open a project. Oh no, it's not here. Maybe from here? No. Huh? Oh, I tried to install DaVinci on this computer, but I could not get it to work. You know what, I'll show you, I'll just turn on my virtual machine. That would be faster. Force off, and I'll just install it here on Windows 10. When I do export it, yeah. Like, you know what? I'm gonna send a picture on the Discord. You'll see here on the stream I have here, the Discord. I'm gonna put a picture so you can see it yourself. Let's just open here the program. CapCut. Yeah, let me just open the program on my laptop. Now just take a screenshot of it, and I'll put it on the where you're seeing the Discord server on the stream. And just give me like a minute. It's loading because I have the laptop turned on right now, so I can see the chat messages. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. There we go, there's the screenshot. Oh man. I'll do that again. Okay. There, let me just save it. I'm gonna save it to the Discord. Okay, there. Now I'm gonna send it to the Discord. Okay, dude, so I sent it. Now, if I go here, okay, can you see that? See, I can click the export button over here, and I get these options. 480, 720, 1080, 2K, I just export it as 4K, the resolution. But yeah, this is all on my little laptop. I'm using the free version. I'm not even using the pro. I'm not even logged in. Yeah, see, those are the options. So yeah, every video that I make, I just export it in 4K if anybody wants to see it in 4K. Like if I'll download it here, it should get the same options as well. But mine only goes up to 1080. Then it shows a blue icon that says to buy. What? Really? Well, I don't have mine connected to an account. Like, that's just weird. Like, I'll download it here on this virtual machine so you can see it yourself. Well, this is what I've been using all this time. Like, I'll download it here. Yeah, just download it over here. Like when I use it, I don't use an account. I don't want to get like those pop-up things about, hey, buy this, get this, have it all synchronized with the cloud. I don't want anything of that. What happened? It won't open. There we go. So due to that, the 4K thing you switch. That's odd. Oh, I just saved them all on the computer locally. I don't save them on the cloud. I'll just make like my own folder and just save it there. Yeah. Just keep it separate. Yeah, it's good to have it on a cloud because you can go on the web version, and just open like a recent project and just continue it from there. But in my case, whenever I do like video editing, I'm not in a rush. Mostly it takes me time. Like to make the video is actually faster than to make the video. Is to me that's faster. To edit the video, that takes time. Depending on how the video is, then it'll take me maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, even 4 hours to edit videos. Like if I need to add some other stuff, because the videos that I make are mostly just guides. So I try to be as detailed as possible and as straightforward as possible. So this should say that it's not that good of an environment because there's no graphics card on this. Yeah, continue. I know that was even an option to directly save. Well, yeah, it is. Once you export it, it tells you where you want to save it. Basically, you're saving it locally. Yeah. So this actually my lag, because I have no graphics on this. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna lag a little bit. But yeah, man, like before cloud, you usually just save all your projects on your own computer. Like if you want to be extra safe, extra careful, save it on an external drive or a backup drive. But if you really upload it on YouTube, you can just download your own videos from YouTube. You can also do that. Yeah, we then if you didn't know that, then you learn something new. That's the good thing about stuff. We always learn something new every day. Yeah, okay, I think this is frozen. Yeah, there's no graphics card on this. It can still open. It's just gonna be a little bit slow. We'll post edit. I edit for like family function travels. Oh, okay, casually. Gotcha. Then you're at least doing something by editing. Not something like very advanced, but you're doing editing stuff. Oh yeah, it takes time, man. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Like, it's like you're like when you're trying to learn these type of programs. At first, your mind is like intimidated. Like, what the hell is this? Like, you gotta ask a question for everything. What does this do? What does this do? And what does this do? But your mind, I don't know why, but your mind gets intimidated. Like it gets scared. Like, how does this work? I always think it like to make that easier. I always think it like a game, like a video game. Like I'll be touching everything, and the more that I do it, the more used to it I get it. Okay, yeah, like this is froze on me. Let's try to open it again. Let's see if it'll open. Yeah, I don't care for that. Yeah. You're a good man. I understand. Yeah, trial and error. That's how you get good. You gotta keep doing it. Doesn't matter how many times. Keep doing it, your mind is gonna get used to it. Yeah, thanks. Let's see if it actually loads. Ah, there we go. There we go, okay. So if I... Oh, that's right, it can't be empty. So... I'll just take like a snipping tool. Snippet and search. This actually like lets you take like a video, I think. No, doesn't let me take a video. Okay, whatever. Just say like we want to snip that. And save that to the desktop, yeah, over there. I'll add that. Now, can we export it? Oh, that's right. Gotta add something there. Let's add multiple of these. Now we have like a 12-second video. Export. And see, there it is. Oh, here it has 8K. Yeah, allow. I can. Oh, that's odd. I can do here 8K for some reason. 480, 720, 1080, 2K, 4K, 8K resolution. That's really odd. On mine it doesn't show 8K. It just shows all the way up to 4K. Yeah, 4K. Or does it show 8K? Yeah, mine only shows up to 4K. I think that's because it's images. Well, it's in a photo, but I'm not sure. Or it turned into a video. Maybe it's different on different devices. It's a possibility, yeah. Like the one that I do my editing, it's a Windows 10 computer, and this is also a Windows 10. But mine only has up to here. So I'm not even sure why it says 8K. That's really odd. But yeah, there you have it. You can, yeah. I don't even have an account. I just do it all locally, but it works. But still, it's a little odd that for you it's showing 1080. I would try to like uninstall the program that you have, and don't log in with an account, and just use it locally, and maybe you'll get different options. The laptop that I'm using has like crappy specs. It doesn't even have a graphics card. It's literally a crappy laptop, and it edits videos fine, not even freezing or anything. On the other hand, this computer has actually good specs. It's actually 10 times better than my laptop, because this one actually has a graphics card, and AMD Ryzen 7 and an NVIDIA 360. But again, I don't use this computer to edit. But I would just uninstall the program in your case. Like take it off completely from the computer and try to install it again, and maybe don't use it with an account, just use it locally. Maybe you might get the options. Yours is an i5. Yours is still better than the laptop that I have here. The laptop here is, what is it here? I can't remember. It's the about... Oh, so this laptop it has an i7. It's just 8 gigs of RAM, nothing else. Yeah, give it a try. Maybe you'll get different options. But still, you should. But still, it shouldn't really cause that much issues. At least, I just never noticed until you just mentioned that. Now I noticed that, and for whatever reason, on this virtual machine, it literally has 8K, and I didn't even allocate it that good specs on this. I gave it how much do I have here? It says 14 RAM. That's it. I would say give it a try and yeah, give me an update if anything did change. Mm. By the way, do you have any tips on using an old laptop like an i3, no GPU for a free NAS? It has like a 1 TB HDD. Um, by any chance, do you have like a small SSD, or do you just have like that one mechanical drive on it? Okay, no. Well, no, because you said you wanted to use it like a NAS. Because you could use that old laptop, you could use this one. Hmm, you'll need to check on the inside. If you want to use it for a NAS, you can use the open source TrueNAS scale. You can use this program. It's basically a Linux, it's based off Linux. This one lets you set up your own NAS. You can use it and make it shareable. So it has for Windows, SMB. It has for Mac, if you have a Mac, NFS format files. You can also install apps because the program already comes with it. Well, this is based off Linux, so it's already a Linux system. There's two versions of this. There's one that's FreeBSD. Well, if the old one uses Windows 10, you could format it and just turn it into a server, the laptop, and run the true NAS. Or if you don't want to do that, then the other thing that you could do is you could on the Windows, if you already have Windows installed, you could install the subsystem for Windows, which is basically you can install Linux inside of Windows 10, and by doing that, you can install this program, Casa OS. This is like a really this program you can install with one little command. There's also here like a live demo. With this, you can do like a file sharing, file manager, NAS, download apps on it. Like there's a demo here. Like this is a demo. and you can see all your systems here. It's a complex. This one's really like very friendly, because you have like your own little app store here, and you can just download whatever app you want. You want to add an ad blocker, audio stuff, AI, a DNS, media server. It also has like a file manager. Here you can see your files over the web, share them. With this, you can just install you have a bad history with Linux. Okay, well, if Linux is not for you, then in that case, you could install the Windows subsystem Linux. What that basically is like, okay, here in this Windows right now, this Windows 10, if I open here, you can see here that I have a Linux here running. So this is like a feature from Windows 10. I have here Ubuntu running on this. Like if you do this, add features, here, there's a feature here to add Linux, which is this one right here, Windows subsystem for Linux. So you can literally run Linux. You can just open your terminal here, CMD, and just type in WSL, and it will open up your Linux terminal. And inside of this, you can just install the apps. Like say that I wanted to, like right now, the one that I mentioned to you, like I can show you here more information about the system. See, there it is, it's an Ubuntu. So say that I wanted to, like right now, install the one that I mentioned, which was Casa OS. This. Like this is just a simple command. So I will download this, just click on this, just copy that, and here I'm pretty sure I have curl installed. Let me just double check, install curl. That's so you can just run the command. Oh, it is installed. Okay, we'll just paste that in there. So let me paste. Won't let me paste? Really? Won't let me paste? Okay, then I'll just copy that again. You're serious? It won't let me paste? Okay, never mind. I guess I'll have to do it manually. So sudo curl fs sl https / get .casa os, something like that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Okay, I can now see it there. casaos.io sudo bash, enter. Now it's gonna install this. It's gonna tell you if you have all the requirements. Mechanical drives, man, they're gonna be slow. Like if you really want to work, do like a workaround with mechanical drives, the best thing that I would recommend you is like doing like a RAID for it. Basically combining them together. That could help your issue. Like Windows does have a feature in here in the control panel they have a feature here that's called storage spaces, and you can create a pool if you have multiple drives, and you can like put them all together. Like it will run. I'm not saying it's not gonna work. It's just it's gonna be slow. Like using them separately, it's gonna be slow. If you use them together, then it might be a little bit faster. That might be like your advantage and disadvantage. Here you can literally create a pool. But honestly, I can't do it with this because I need more than one storage. But if your concern is for speed, then you're gonna have to get SSDs, man. Because the good thing, mechanical drives are good. They're just really slow, and they get slower over time. But they last a long time. Well, I just want to throw random stuff that one. I'm not mountain to it. Oh, I see. Well, that's just that would be just like my recommendation, man. But mechanical drives will just be slow for everything. Which I'm gonna try that won't fit on my main laptop. I'm not saying it's not gonna work. It will work. It's just it's gonna be slow. That's the bad thing about those drives. They run on RPM speed, like they're literally mechanical disks inside them. If you have chips, then that would have been better. So chips do wear down, but here's like the main difference. Like a mechanical drive does wear down over time, but your data will last longer even if you don't use it for a long time. With chips, that would be SSD, NVMe, M.2. They run faster, but if you don't use them, they'll likely break down over time quicker than a mechanical drive. It has its pros and cons. Like the biggest pro would be speeds. Because honestly, SSD and NVMe drives, they have all gotten really fast over time. And if you don't have the space for it, you can just attach it with an adapter. Like I have a lot of these, like NVMe like adapter. I literally have some things like this. Where is it? So I have these things, but I'm looking for the one. This one, USB. There we go. You can basically, these are just like empty panels. You can connect there an NVMe drive and just use it like an external drive. Like I have one of those personally. I have a see-through. And some of these actually do have Type-C, so it's actually faster than USB. Like even these ones, they're, well, it says here this one is 3.2, so it's fast. But if you really want to know like the main difference, if your concern is like speed, just take like an SSD for example. Oh my god, promotion is crazy. That's alright, like if it has USB, like it will work since they have like multiple adapters. The only thing is it's not gonna run at the speeds that your NVMe actually runs. It's just gonna run a little bit slower to the speeds of the USB. In this case would be 2.0 if it doesn't have 3.0. It's just gonna limit the speed, not entirely, but it will just limit it a little bit. Because if you compare like, okay, this one, we'll take this one for example, an NVMe drive and an SSD here. Like these things are fast. If you go to specs, so to write stuff on it, it's 500 megabytes. I mean to read, it's 500. To write stuff, it's 500. You take the NVMe ones, these things are just extremely fast. Specs. To read, it's 7,000, so that's 7 gigs. And to write is 6,900. So it's literally like it's around 15 times more faster than SSD. And I would literally use the NVMe for external drives. Like take a bunch of them, you put them like in a RAID system, and it'll be faster. You have 7,000 megabytes, so 7,000 megabytes, like 1,000 megabytes is actually 1 giga. So this is actually 7 gigs. So yeah, it's pretty fast compared to SSDs, which are mostly SSD, they always come like around 500 to 600 megabytes. I haven't seen one that's 1,000. This is like their like average speed fast to write and read. Oh, you mean price? This one's 268, but these ones, oh, this is cheaper. This is 144, and it's a Samsung one. See, I would go for this one for the win. 144, 1 terabyte. Now this one, see, this is 4 terabytes. That's why it's so expensive. This one, 24 bucks. Oh, this is 128 gigs. I honestly think this is cheap for now in American dollars, but it depends on how much in size that you actually want. But again, this is really fast. Imagine just having a whole bunch of them. Everything's just gonna load fast. Your games, your system, your programs, your video editing. Like you can make stuff fast. Well, if you do have a chance and you do switch to another system, so because I know Windows is still good, but using like an old system with what you have in HHD, even though they're slow, you can still use a Linux distro that's actually faster, and it will still feel faster with instead of using Windows. But it's not for everybody. I do have two internal and two Gen 5 SSD and one external SSD on my main laptop. You have plenty. This system has one. This is an SSD. No, one. Yeah, this is two NVMEs. This is an SSD. So I have here four in total. Two NVMEs and two SSDs. Now this one's an external one. But these are old. Some of these are actually recycled that I have from a company. They're not really that big in size. There's just 1 terabyte, 500, 500. Yeah, two of these are a tera. This one's a tera, but this one is split with the system. Mm. Um, supposedly, Samsung's like the best ones, but I have had different ones. But I usually look for speeds. I don't look for brand. AliExpress? No. For anything computer parts, for me, at least for me, I always use Newegg. Like to me, this is like the best place, the best shopping for computers. Anything for computer components, systems, storage, I would always go here. Because they always have what I need. Always. Anything for computer related stuff. I'll do comparison in other places, but if I can find it here, I prefer to get it from Newegg. Never have any issue here. UAE? I think I think they do support that. I think you might just get charged international shipping from FedEx, because there's some third party shippers sellers here. UAE. I'm not sure if it might be supported in your country. UAE. What's UAE? Oh, United Arab Emirates? Yeah, it says here, yeah, Newegg supports, you can buy from there. At least online it says that there's some orders, so you can still use this site. You're just gonna have to check pricing. Yeah, give it a try. Maybe it'll help you out. If it's with FedEx, sometimes shipping is a little high. Cause I do get all my stuff from here, but when it's like not a seller from Newegg and it's a third party, FedEx is like a little bit pricey. That's a bad part about it. Like it might be shipping might be like maybe $25 to $30, depending on how big the product is. $4x. Holy crap! Oh, that seems like a lot. Multiply a terabyte. $5.59. The age delivery. How much is that delivery in dollars? 117 DH. Yikes. I see. That must be with FedEx. Huh. If it's wow, if it's better to literally just get a to get a laptop even for those prices instead of buying the pieces separately, then yeah, I would go for that. That must have been a lot. Oh, I have heard of Shine. Noon, I haven't heard of that one. But that would be like a shopping, like Amazon as well. But yellow. Delivered to Dubai. Say one gaming. Say that I want this one. How much is this? Oh, holy crap, that's expensive. $1,500 US. Oh crap, that sucks. $435, how much is that? 435. 118. No, but these are just... Is that... Man, RAM has gotten really expensive. Oh, these ones, 275? $74? That's a... $40. Yikes. Yeah, but the good thing about laptop RAM, even if it's laptop, you can use a RAM adapter. RAM adapter. You can use these things. Basically, you can put laptop RAM and make it into computer size RAM. It's odd, but it works. Wait, this one's DDR4, but you can do this. Yeah, you can even put laptop RAM into PC. Now you know, man. You can actually use that. See? This basically says put laptop RAM into full-size computers. There's an adapter for everything. But in this case, for this one, this is DDR5. There should be DDR5. DDR5. I'm not sure if there is one. There should be one. But wait, do they sell them here? RAM adapter? Adapter. Oh no, they don't. No adapters. Oh wait, what was that? I saw something. Oh wait, here it is. Oh, but these are for DDR3. These are already old. Pizza Hut limo. Well, I actually don't live in the States. I live in the territories. I live in Puerto Rico. We do have Pizza Hut here. Puerto Rico. You have to search it out. Pizza Hut limo. Oh, we do have something like this, but we have the pizza box. If that's what I'm looking at. Oh my god, that's long. It's crazy. Introducing the limo. Feed the team. That's crazy. "40 inches. Holy crap, that's really big." Wow, that's really big. Never would expect it to be that long. I think it's bigger than the one that we have here. That's around, I think, like $3. Yeah, don't really eat much fast food. I mostly just make food at home. That's my gimmick. Yeah, same goes for me. I live with my parents as well. Let's just make my own food. No, me, I wanna move out, like, move out again. I just need to, uh, I just need to make enough money so I can actually just afford rent. But I'm unemployed right now, so I'm really trying to make this YouTube streaming a like a job thing. I just need to get monetized. Just gotta keep trying. Oh no, I didn't go to college. I just got certificates. Thanks, man. Like everything that I know, I just taught myself. College is mostly a business, so it's not really gonna benefit you. Like get on debt, try to make something. I don't think that's gonna help anybody. It's just gonna keep you more in debt. You gotta grow yourself. Oh really? That's actually good. As for me, I already tried so many different jobs. I just decided to make this myself because I was just tired for working for somebody else. I just need to keep making more videos. I'm almost there. Sometimes I just feel like that I get desperate. Can't really think about it. Just gotta keep doing it. Yeah, something like that. It's possible. It just takes time. Same with the YouTube stuff. Like I'm very close to being to reach the requirements, but at the same time, this took me over a year and a half to reach, and I honestly didn't know what I was doing. I still don't know what I'm doing. Like it's now that I'm trying this different thing for streaming. I think it's helpful, and I guess and other people do like it, so I'm just gonna keep doing it no matter what. Oh really? He created his own business? That's really good. That's something that I have been noticing a lot is that if you don't want to work for somebody else, you're gonna have to make your own business. You just gotta find something that suits you. Something I guess people would say like you like to do, you're passionate about doing it. But either way, you just gotta keep teaching yourself, adding more knowledge, and just keep pushing on. Oh my god, that's gonna take a long time. Uh, Evening. Right now it's actually 4:28 in the day. I'm guessing that's 14:28. So yeah, it's a little bit evening. Oh wow, it's midnight for you. Wow, so it's 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Holy crap, an 8-hour different time zone. Man, you're already in the next day. It's literally it's Thursday for you already. Oh no, wait. You mean in the morning? But I got confused now. It's 12:30 a.m. I'm in the future. Basically. So for you it's the morning. You're in the future. You can already tell me what's gonna happen. If it was like that. Oh, that would be funny. Damn, Mr. Tasteful. What app sucks? I don't think there's a top-notch free music player. Probably have to go Room or JRiver. I'll be honest, Tasteful, I have never tried those programs, even the old ones. I know that my computer had it and that's it. The program that I would use a lot is LimeWire in that time. And it still exists, but now it's a crypto coin. Yeah, I never used it, so I just remember it a little bit, and that's it. So that's why I put it on the poll. Mine would have been LimeWire or maybe Messenger sometimes. I don't even remember. My God, how long is this gonna take? I think Let's check again. Bro, you'll have fish as pets? No, I don't have fish as pets. I do have birds as pets. I had a fish, but that was when I was a kid. Now I have birds. man, sorry that happened to you. It did happen to me once with a newborn. That my birds had an egg. He I think he was already around 7 months old, and the little guy figured out how to open the door of the nest, and I saw it on the camera. He opened the door and he flew out. And I thought, because my other pets actually know that their cage is actually their home, because they'll go back to the house, to their cage. But this one, he didn't like that. So he literally figured out how to open the door and he flew out. Now now every cage or next box that I have, it's with a lock. I can't believe he chose fishes for that. It's interesting, honestly, very interesting. I mean, I think birds are just very low maintenance as well. I had them since they were like little babies, so they're like really used to humans. They don't get scared. No, lovebirds. No, I never had those birds. Like the birds that I have right now are cockatiels. They've been trying to breed, but their eggs are unfertile. Pretty sure the male doesn't know how to mount the female. Why won't this keep going? I'm tired of this. Let's go with this. Actually, no. Let's just go here. Yeah, they're not really that difficult. They're parrots. I think they're pretty easy. Easier than like a cat or a dog. I think they're not really that difficult to keep. I always like leave them out a little bit, or they will hang out with me. I don't have them with me right now. But that's usually what I do. No, we keep them like in an open area in the garage. They can see the owl. They're in their own cage. Sometimes I will just get them out of their cage and I'll take them with me. And they'll just be hanging around with me like almost all day. Okay, maybe I can set up. Might be I. Oh, you mean the membership? Yeah, I have that there. Huh? I never had venison before. Tasteful. Is it tasty? How you say it is? Yeah, the VIP, the membership. Yeah, I have that there if anybody just wants to join or support me or just give donations. Let's add that. I would try it. Oh, I never had camel before. Ah, come on. With berries, I would literally try deer. Never had it before. Bears too. Ooh. Oh man, if I do eat like meat, it has to be a little bit rare, because I hate the chewy so much. Like I'll get tired on trying to chew. I don't know about you guys, but I like a little bit medium rare or something like that whenever I eat steak or any meat, honestly. Okay, let's see if we can install. let's install XP. Oh, I want to try something. Do I have it here? Oh no, wait, let's do the TrueNAS thing. But I want to do the TrueNAS. I think that's his preference. Prayer means parasite. We could that shit around here. That could also be humor as well. Notice how cute others are racing for the same thing they do. They're just looking to protect their people. So on average, medium, I guess. .26H2 is coming out for Windows. More spyware for sure, I'm sure. Oh, if it's something like that is coming, you can put that in the text channel in Discord, so everybody can know the news about that. Barbecue's the same as steak. Yeah, like different cultures, different way to set everything up. TV sometimes doesn't show everything. Oh no, did I crash the system again? Crud, I think I did. Oh, you heard that? Okay, I think, what time is it? It's 5. I'm only been the stream 2 hours. Yeah, the other stream crashed, so I started again. Okay. Okay guys, I think I'm going to end the stream here. I do appreciate everybody joining the stream, just talking out. We really love that support. As always guys, I thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, support me if you want in any way possible. And I'll see you in the next one guys. I hope everybody enjoys the rest of your day. Thanks for talking and everything else. You have a good one now guys. Goodbye. Thank you guys, thank you for your support. Honestly, it's really appreciated. And yeah, yes, I guess I'm Jeff stuff to do. Thanks for joining guys, I really appreciate you guys. Have a good one. And I gotta try me some beer. Get famous. I hope. Later.